Okay, folks, we finally made it to the turkeys. And as you can hear, these turkeys are loud.
Cows.
And the cows. We have cows over here.
Yeah.
And a bunch of other assorted animals. We even have a trans duck. Get you guys a close-up on these turkeys.
Kanye, come here.
I'm taking one of them home tomorrow. One of those black ones back there.
Kanye.
See if I can get you guys a better view. Oh, these enormous turkeys. That one's mine. That one's right there. That black one. All right, buddy. Hey, you guys want to see a baby calf? Doesn't matter. We're going to see one anyways. There she is.
There's my calf. Hi, cutie. Your mom's been better to you than she has been.
Yeah.
She's
actually letting you nurse.
Yep. Or you would have been meat, Rosie. Cutie. What are you doing? You attack Finn?
There was some wild turkeys over here earlier. I don't know where they went.
One up in the woods.
And there's some quail-looking things over on the fence. Don't know if you can see them.
Doves. Oh, there you go.
Oh, and then we got 2 steers up here, I think. Might just be one.
There, 2 down there.
Oh, 2 down there, 1 up here.
Was there turkey drain by the door?
No, we used it all. These things take a lot of feed, about half a bag a day. And then got Big Boy over here. Big Boy cow. They take premium fed grains. And other stuff you want to feed them.
And you feed them the flock raisins.
I'll have Rob over here go feed the turkeys and chickens. I'll go collect the eggs. Oh. And we finally made it in. Hi, buddy. Let's open up the coop, see if there's any in there. Nope. Open up the laying box. Oh, here's Mama. She got nothing? Nothing, really. Oh, yeah. There's a little girl down there. Buddy. And we got 2 little turkeys down here. 2 of them. Hiding with the chicken. Okay. No eggs.
Put the other eggs in there.
Yeah. Then we got a bunch of meat chickens over there. Yeah. Okay, we got no eggs in this pen. We gotta go see if there's some in the other one. What? Yeah, I will. Chickens. Then here's where their eggs are. Oh, we got 1 egg. Is there any over here? Nope, just 1 egg. Alright. This guy's laying any over here? Nope. One egg, alright. One egg's better than no eggs. If I can open this door. Alright, there's all of the eggs. Just one single egg. And we're gonna follow. He said go get this white bucket. So we're bringing them some white bucket.
One egg.
One egg.
And
So now he's getting some feed out of there. Probably go to cows.
nope.
Oh no.
More
What?
turkey food for one few pheasant now.
Alright. More turkey food. What are you doing, Finn?
Many feet is only so I'm not gonna say it. Ain't my steer.
Hey, your chickens. That little chicken's tiny.
Chicken nugget.
A chicken nugget.
Oh, you're all fanned up.
Oh, turkeys. Look at these beasts. That one's all puffed up. Oh, they both are. Pedro. Kanye.
Pedro Kanye. Big Jongus.
Close that gate behind you.
Oh, you trying to fight? You trying to fight me?
How many turkeys is there?
Trying to fight me, big boy, aren't you? Yeah, trying to fight.
Oh, that turkey just pooed. Big poo. Hey, there's
Turkey egg.
the turkey just. I'll go and collect that.
No.
I'm joking. Don't need to collect those. What you doing, Fan? Bad dog. We know where you live. Right here. Then we got that wild chicken.
Don't go in his pen.
Yeah,
Groundhog heaven right
wild
there.
thing.
Yeah.
Wild rooster in it.
No.
Oh, is it a hen?
It's a hen.
Looks like a rooster.
It does. It's not though. Ain't got spurs.
Then we got Wild Finn back there. What's he doing?
Want me to go tackle a rooster?
You know, you go tackle a rooster.
7 inches.
7-inch spikes. Yeah, he's right there. Oh no, that's the other one.
That's chicken nugget. Well, not chicken nugget, like Carol Baskin.
Yeah, Carol Baskin. That's what it is. Hi, Mama.
Oh, big boy.
You know, oh, big boy. Oh, black turkey. Chicken. Black rooster.
Come on.
Let's go and get him.
Get in the corner. Get in the corner. Get in the corner.
He's in there. Get him. This does not hurt the chicken, by the way. We're just wrangling him up.
That scares them.
You're a girl. Stop puffing up. Let's show them these folks at home these spikes. Look at those things. They're not supposed to be that long, Junior.
Want to fly? See you later, Junior.
Hi,
Hey,
turkey.
Miss Rick. Miss Rick? You are not a boy. You have a beard, but you're not a boy. You pop out eggs.
That egg right there.
This is what turkey egg, if you're wondering. He has spots.
That is a turkey egg compared to a chicken egg.
Turkeys have brown spots all over their eggs.
And then chicken eggs are just white for what these ones are. Some chicken eggs are brown.
Green.
And they're a lot smaller. Some of them can be bigger. Yeet! Oh, you hit right on the fence. You want to throw those other ones under there or no? No. Okay.
Crackers. You bad duckies.
Pram Ducky.
Oh. Wrangle them into the corner.
We got Mario, Luigi, Missy, which is that white one right there.
Peaches.
Peaches.
And Kim.
That's,
Kim is the little brown one.
yeah, Kim's the little girl. You guys are loud.
Mario.
Luigi.
No, don't hop in the pool.
No. Oh, now you're all wet.
No, don't hop in the oven.
Oh, that was so dirty.
You're disgusting, Crackers.
Try and get that one. That one's not too wet.
Mario. Mario.
Big, beautiful. Oh, he's trying to fly. I didn't know he could fly.
No!
Oh, he's in the water now.
Turkeys are alpha.
Buddy.
Ducky out. He's in the house.
He's in the house?
He's in the house. Go out there and go wrangle him.
What? Out here.
Up there and go open the door.
Right here? Oh.
I got him. Got him.
Banjo got him.
Here, come in here. Here, I'll bring him out.
No, don't bring him out. He might escape.
Look at this mallard.
Beautiful green head.
Mallard.
Wish you guys could feel how they feel. They're so soft. Look at him compare to this egg.
Better not bite me, I swear to God.
Look at his talons. He's got webbed feet so he can swim.
Alrighty, jump in the pool. I'll clean out your pool today since I'm out here. Oh, no pool.
Okay, go get the hose.
Miss Rick!
Miss Rick, what are you doing? Give us a talk? No? You don't want to give us a talk? Oh, you look angry. I'm going to fix something with the camera real quick so I can zoom in. Alright, now we're good. Let's introduce all these turkeys. This is Miss Rick. She all puffed up sometimes. She's not supposed to. This is Jerry. Say hi, Jerry. And that's Pedro's cousin, Poophead. Nah, I'm joking. His name's Seaweed. And then we got Mr. Rob over here, dumping out the water of the... Oh, I'm about to get all wet.
Nasty pond.
Nasty pond water.
Good green pool.
Here, I'll get it.
Alright. That's good.
Yeah. And you just fill it up.
Disgusting dog. Oh, look at Kanye.
Oh, Kanye's all puffed up. Big boy over there.
You better hurry and go down to the rods.
Huh?
You better hurry and go get the rods.
Yeah, we left some our rods on the dock with one of those little pieces of crawfish. See, we can get one while we're feeding and watering the turkeys and chickens. And ducks, I guess.
Look at Luigi walking over here.
Yeah, he's adventurous. The leader of the pack.
He's like, I'm going to lead this pack over here and go drink some nasty water.
Drink some nasty water, yeah. See, this is dirty water. This is clean water. The ducks do that in one day.
In 1 hour. Look how muddy that is. 1 hour.
That's all the turkeys making that noise. Then you got a little boy over here.
That's the boy. Yeah.
Little girl. Leave that one dirty, probably.
I'm just on the box.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Okay, now we're gonna go do something else. Yeah. We're gonna take you guys on the the 4-wheeler. Hey, see how you guys like that? Them beans. Already in the pool.
About to hop in. This is about hopping. Oh, drink some water. About to make it disgusting in about 3 seconds.
Okay, let's go on quad.
We're on the pond.
Down the pond. Almost fell off. Don't go too fast.
There's the duckies. And the goat. Luigi's in the pool.
No, he's already in the pool.
Oh, turkeys. Arr!
They got fin in front of
Oh,
us.
jeez, crash behind the panel. Oh, the rods are still there.
Rods are still there. That's good.
Oh, there's a fish on it.
Let's hope there's a fish on it.
Oh, into the pond.
We forgot the tripod.
Oh, there's the fin.
Let's reel them in one at a time so we have a cameraman.
Oh, my line's been taken out.
Yeah, it's all the way over there.
Oh, yeah.
You got one?
Oh, yeah. Perchy boy.
Is it a perch?
Look at him.
Oh, he's way over there. I thought it was a little small at first, but I remember we don't have those here. That's almost an eater. Yeah, I know, I'm
swallowed
joking.
it.
Might have to kill him and eat him.
It's in his stomach, I bet.
Okay, we're gonna euthanize this guy real quick, and we'll be back. We'll reel my rod in real quick.
Yeah.
Here, hold the phone.
Here, we gotta euthanize him and then go get a new hook.
Plastic bag and a new hook here.
Alright, your line hasn't been taken out, but that don't
Not
mean
too far.
there ain't a fish. Got him?
Doesn't feel like there's one on there, but there might be.
Nope.
Nope, just seaweed.
Alrighty.
Oh, I still got my craw too. He was probably just digging in the mud.
Yep.
I'll cast this out over where you cast yours so you can go get your hook and euthanize him. That was big.
Luge craw.
Yeah, give him a craw. Show him the craw bucket.
Alright. Craw pappies.
Okay. He's gonna go get a new craw and a new hook. Euthanize this guy real quick.
Got a knife out here for me.
So we're gonna cut while we euthanize this guy for a minute.